Hello everyone, welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make the instant noodles recipe which has been trending on TikTok. It's quite simple to make and it'll be a good change from the way you usually make your noodles. So without any further delay, let's make these delicious, tempting TikTok noodles recipe. So guys, to make the delicious noodle recipe, we're going to boil some water and then we are going to add 1 packet of instant noodles. Now guys, the best part about this is you can use whatever noodles you have in your house, be it Maggi, YY, ramen, etc. as it does not matter, as we are not going to be using the flavoring pouch or the masala pouch. And now let's cook the noodles till the time they are 80% cooked. And now that they are 80% cooked, let's drain out the water. But guys, do save some of the stock water. We are going to need it later on. And now we are going to take one pan and add about 1 tablespoon of butter to it. And once the butter is nicely melted, let's spread it around so as to grease the pan. And then let's add 2 finely chopped garlic cloves. And then let's just keep stirring it till the time the garlic cloves change in color and give a nice golden color to it. And once the garlic is nice and golden in color, which takes about 30 to 40 seconds, let's add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, followed by half tablespoon of chilli flakes. Now you can adjust the quantity of the chilli flakes as per your liking. And then we are going to give everything a good mix. Once everything is nicely mixed in, then we are going to add about half tablespoon of brown sugar and then give everything a good mix as well. Once the sugar and the soya sauce, chili flakes are nicely mixed in, then let's add 3 tablespoons of stock water and let's cook till the time the brown sugar is completely dissolved. And once the brown sugar is dissolved, let's add our 80% cooked noodles to it and then let's give everything a good mix. So guys, now you know the reason why we cook the noodles only 80%, because if it is overcooked, then the noodles are going to be very clumpy, they are going to break while you're mixing everything in and the taste won't be as good as well. And now that everything is nicely mixed in, let's make some space and let's add 1 egg to the pan. Now guys, it's totally optional. If you are vegetarian, then do not add the egg. You can simply enjoy the noodle as it is. And now that we have added the egg into it, let's cook the egg for about 30 to 40 more seconds. And see guys, our egg is almost halfway cooked. So now let's mix this egg along with the noodles and let it cook for about a minute or till the time the egg is completely cooked. And see guys, our noodles are ready. The egg is completely cooked and the noodles are looking absolutely mouth-watering. So I absolutely cannot resist it. I am immediately putting it into my serving bowl. And we are going to add some garnishing of green onion leaves. And guys, do try this recipe out, even if it is as an experiment. Do try it because it's going to be something different than your normal noodles. And if you do like this recipe, do write to me. Do let me know about your experience. Don't forget to share this recipe link with your friends and family. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you enjoy these noodles. Bye-bye. Take care.